Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning. So I have one furnace. It's tagged because it doesn't have a fresh air intake pipe. The room is so tight. That appliance has no combustion air coming through. So I have to install one fresh air intake pipe for it. So I'm gonna do that. It's a lovely morning, a little bit chilly, but still okay, not bad. I'll see you at the job site. Furnace room. Let me show you. So that's the room. There's no combustion air for the furnace. There's a tankless that's intake and exhaust, but the furnace will taking air from here. And this room is completely sealed. I can't put the grills there because the closet on this side. This side is a bedroom, and that side is another room. Here's the laundry. So all we're gonna do today, we're gonna put the fresh air pipe right there outside for this furnace. So outside here, I already have my drill set up here. So we have a exhaust pipe for the furnace, and that's our tankless. So it has to be 3 feet away from here. We have a more than 3 feet where I'm gonna put the hole. So we're okay there. So we're gonna do the fresh air for this furnace. So the hole is done for the fresh air intake. Always use the same glue what manufacturer recommended. So I'm using 636 with the system 636 gas vent. Okay. So that's our glue. So make sure you glue it like that in properly, and right on the other side. And you have to glue on the other pipe as well. And you just connect it. So you're done. The numbers are coming on the screen at the bottom. Please call us for furnace, air conditioner, gas line services. No heat callouts. This is Access Air, heating and air services. Now we're going to secure the pipe with the all-round strap right over there. Right over there, we're going to put the strap there, you know, to support this pipe while we install it. So here's a trick. You can cock it now around here, and then put your 90 elbow here. It has to be 1 foot away from there. So if you see here, I did caulking around it before I put the fitting. I also did, there's an open space here on the old, so I clean it and I put the caulking here also. You know, I mean, you just check around, just don't stay like you're installing the one pipe and you're done with that. Just look around, and if there is a little bit needed, just put it there. You know, looks good. All right, so we finished the termination outside, so it looks all good.